How to create private server in Blox Fruits. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and at the search bar at the top, simply search Blox Fruit. After you have searched Blox Fruit, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here on the left side, click on Blox Fruit. After you have clicked on Blox Fruit, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and click on Servers at the bottom. In the Servers section, you'll find Create Private Server. Click on it. After you click on it, you will need to pay Robux. As you can see, it costs 200 Robux. After you've paid, simply click on Create Private Server. And then after that, add your server name and press on Buy Now at the bottom. After you've pressed on Buy Now, your server will be created and you'll find all these settings, which is allow joining, friends allowed or not, and private server link as well. And this is how to create private server link in Blox Fruits. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.